So taking a look at the air conditioners and heat pump criteria, we look at equipment age, right? And so equipment age, if it's greater than or equal to being 12 years old for an air conditioner, or greater than or equal to 10 years old for a heat pump, that weighs towards replacement. It's not the thing that says definitively go ahead and replace it, because there's a whole host of other criteria. And so what we're doing is we're putting, if you will, bricks on the scales of justice to determine what direction it is that we should go. So let's go down the columns here as far as the criteria, and let's look at the repair versus replace criteria. And so once you understand the framework, you'll see how it works for the other components as well. So on the repair side, if the equipment is less than 12 years old on an air conditioner or less than 10 years old on a heat pump, then it says consider repair. And so that's really what it's kind of coming down to. It's not saying definitively do this or do that. It's saying consider this criteria, and if your equipment meets this criteria, this is something you should consider. This brick should go on repair, or this brick should go on the replacement side of the scales of justice, if you will.